everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Reeti and I am back with another lecture in the DBMS series. So in the last lecture we learned about fourth normal form. In this particular video we would be learning about fifth normal form. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now fifth normal form, or we can also call this project joint normal form, that is PJNF. So a relation is said to be in fifth normal form if it satisfies the following condition. First is it should be in fourth normal form. Second is the decomposition should be lossless. Now what is this lossless and lossy decomposition? So we have already learned about lossy and lossless decomposition in last set of videos. You can go ahead and have a look. But just to re-revise, let's have a look again. So consider that there is a relation. Now this particular relation have some redundant data. So according to normalization, we normalize or we decompose the table into two or more subtables so that the data redundancy is less. Now this particular decomposition of relation can be of two types, lossy and lossless. Now in lossy decomposition, we often lose the data, or data is lost, or data is not preserved, and in lossless decomposition, the data is preserved even after decomposition. So data is preserved. So consider that if we have divided the relation or decomposed the relation into R1 and R2, and if we are performing a join operation between R1 and R2, which is giving me R3, so according to lossless, R3 would be equal to the original relation, that is R. So all the data which is in R3 would be equal to the original relation. But in lossy decomposition, R3 wouldn't be equal to R, because in lossy decomposition, we often lost the data. So the decomposition should be lossless for a relation to be in fifth normal form. Now lossless decomposition, it ensures that when a relation R is decomposed or break into two or more relation, no data is lost, and the original relation R can be again reconstructed by joining this decomposed relation, that is R3 is equal to R for the lossless decomposition. Let's understand from an example. So consider that there is a relation R which is having attributes as A, B and C, and the candidate key is A. So often in lossless decomposition, we decompose the table on the basis of candidate key and make it as a common attribute between both the decomposed relations. So step 1 is let's decompose the relation based on the candidate key or super key of the given relation. So decomposed relation are R1 AB and R2 AC. So this was our original relation which has A, B and C, and now it's decomposed to A, B and AC. Now whenever we perform a natural join between R1 and R2, so natural join is basically a cross product plus some condition. The condition is the common attribute in R1 should be equal to the common attribute in R2, on basis of which we have divided the table or we have decomposed the table. So after doing a natural join, we see that R3, or you can say R1 natural join R2 is same as the original relation. So all the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is preserved in this particular relation as well. So step 2, let's perform a natural join between R1 and R2. And whenever we do a R1 natural join R2, we get the original relation back, that is lossless. So we can say that this particular table or this particular relation is in fifth normal form because the decomposition is lossless, and it is also in fourth normal form. So this was all about fifth normal form in this particular video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, can go ahead and watch out the tech content first. And if you find it useful, can go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you have not followed me on my social media handles, you can go ahead and follow. The links are in the description. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.